Everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can fix your frozen, unresponsive and stuck screen on iPhone. What you need to do, just put your phone into the lock mode from here, the power button. Press it in a single time and it will put your phone into a lock mode, and then unlock your phone. It will just 90% cases it will resolve the issue of your frozen or unresponsive touch. If it still doesn't resolve your process, just put your volume button down and hold for the power second, and it will show you something like this. Keep holding your power setting and it will restart your phone. Once it restarts your phone, it will automatically resolve the issue of your stuck screen, unresponsive or black screen. Just like this, it is restarting, and after the restart it will automatically resolve your issue of screen which is stuck, or you're not able to use your phone, hang phone. This kind of issues normally occurs when you are using the camera or heavy app loaded. In the background there were 4-5 apps also running that causing the screen or the hardware to stuck down, and it has to be refreshed. So that's how you can resolve your issue. If you still have any other question, just let me know. I'll try to sort it out at upcoming videos. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.